Guys, I will show you how to use Zedge app. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Zedge like this first. And when you open Zedge, guys, you're gonna find right now, when you create an account, it will open directly here on the wallpaper page. From here, you can find the wallpapers or video wallpaper. How to set like a wallpaper? Just choose one from here. For example, I will choose right now maybe this one. You click on it and click here and click set wallpaper, and if you back, you can set it. And this is an ad. I will skip it right now. Right now, guys, when I back, I will click on ringtones. From here, I can set ringtones. I will do the same process that I do on wallpaper. Just choose audio from here and do like I was doing on wallpaper. If you click here AI generated, you can generate your own wallpaper or your own ringtones. Just describe this and you have 2 free try a day. So if we click here, we can find our profile. So this is our profile. We can right now here find our settings from here, and we can also upload our wallpaper to our profile or our ringtones from here. And yeah, guys, you can search here in the search bar. And that's all, guys. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, just type it down in comments. See you next video.